Hello friends, I am back again with some B.Ed important question answers and the exam notes. So here today I'm going to share the exam paper of 2017 Gender, School and Society paper 5A. So of course this paper has many questions and the time for this exam is actually 1.5 hours. So let's see the question number one, which what it says. I'm just going to turn all pages right in front of you and definitely will give you the good knowledge about the exam. As you can see here, the first question says that write a short note on the following. E- Question 1, part A says equity and equality, and part B says impact of school on children. So this was the first question which came in B.Ed exam. So now what it says, the second question, throw a light on historical background of gender issue and also discuss some landmarks from social reform movements which show gender and biasness. So this is the second question which came from the first unit actually. मैं आपको इसका जो प्रश्न है वो हिंदी में भी बताऊंगी. लैंगिक मुद्दों की ऐतिहासिक पृष्ठभूमि पर प्रकाश डालिए तथा लिंग पक्षपात के समाज सुधार आंदोलन के विभिन्न पहलुओं पर विचार विमर्श कीजिए. सो dear friends, this question came from unit 1. So I'm going to even share the second question which came from this. So I'm going to change the portion also. So the question number 3, as you can see, says that what is gender stereotyping? What are gender differences prevalent in society? How does socialization practice in family help in upliftment of society? So this was the question number 3, and this all, dear friends, always remember that this question also came from unit 1. So I'm going to even share the Hindi portion, what it says of this question. कि लैंगिक रूढ़िबद्धता से आप क्या समझते हैं? समाज में फैले हुए विभिन्न लिंग भेद क्या हैं? परिवार में समाजीकरण प्रथाओं का प्रचलन किस प्रकार समाज के उत्थान में मदद करता है? सो दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फ्रॉम यूनिट 1, एंड नाउ डियर फ्रेंड्स वी आर गोइंग ऑन यूनिट 2. So unit 2 and the question number 4, what it says, it throw a light on statement teacher as on the agent of change and school as a house of culture. Discuss in detail the impact of teacher and school culture on children. So this question came from second unit. As you can see, I'm going to showcase once again once again the questions which came, as you can see, and again one more light on question number 3 and then the light on question number 4. So now I'm going to turn it and we are going to see even the question number 5. So what it says, so here we turn back and the question number 5 says explain in detail the interfaces between home, community and school. घर, समाज तथा स्कूल के आदान प्रदान को विस्तार पूर्वक समझाइए. सो दिस वॉज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 विच केम.